Hello, how are you all? I hope you all doing fine. So welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming with a new video in which I am explaining you how to download Firefox browser. So many people have questions in their minds how to download Firefox browser for free for your PCs, laptops, MacBook and tablets and any other machine like these. So now I am telling you how to download Firefox browser in your PC, laptop, because I have laptop and I am giving you demo on my PC, laptop. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. And before starting the video, I am requesting you to all, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest videos, and give me thumbs up for my motivation to make more videos. So let's start the video. So I am giving you short introduction about Firefox. Firefox is basically a browser in which you can search, you can perform any of your search in this browser like any other browser. But Firefox is a best browser in as compared to Chrome, Chromic, Brave and much more browsers. Firefox keep your privacy private as much as possible, like Opera, and Opera have also good privacy, and I am also making video on Opera browser. So in this video we can see how to download and install Firefox. So before downloading, you need to any browser in your laptop. I hope you have any one of the browser in your laptop. So open this browser which you have. I have Chrome, so I am opening Chrome and I am writing in the search bar Firefox browser download for PC. As you see in the last one option, Firefox browser free download for PC, click on that. You can also write in your search bar Firefox browser free download for PC. So you need to open first link. After opening the first link, you are on the officially Firefox browser website. So here you can easily download Firefox browser. So by clicking here download Firefox, waiting. Now the setup is download in my PC, so we can open this setup. when I am open, then like all other softwares, you can click on that button run. After run, you need to 4 to 5 minutes to install this browser. I am not clicking on that button because I have already Firefox browser and I am already downloaded this. So I am doing this demo just because of you. So I am minimizing this pop-up and minimize my window, and you see here Firefox browser, and here is the shortcut. When you successfully install your Firefox browser, then the shortcut made on your desktop as well as on tab bar. Okay, so this is the simplest way how to download Firefox browser. in a simple way in just 2 to 3 minutes. So I hope you all like my video. So this is the front view of Firefox browser. Sorry it take some time because my net is little bit slow now. So this is the search bar tab. You can search anything here which you want to search. So this is the simplest way, and you can see logos of different social medias applications here. You can easily open this without typing. Okay, so let's see you in next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.